Alright, we're going to do a box break of the 2012 Bowman Sterling Baseball. Try to do it quick here if no customers come in from now until then. Just got it in today, so shouldn't take long to rip. Dickerson 199, Bruce Maxwell, Brian Johnson, and Jonathan Singleton. That's pack one. Look at that, redemption. Ooh, printing plate. Mason Williams printing plate. 101. Mike Zuno, Peter O'Brien, and a rookie autograph of Sterling Marte. Redemption. I think this is supposed to be Greg's box. There's a redemption in there. What the hell? Grabbed the wrong one. Newman House, 199. Kean Barnum. Chris Heston. It's like a black refractor, numbered 6 of 25. And a gold of Ty Hensley, numbered 50 of 50. eBay 101. Next in line insert of Will Middlebrooks and Jackie Bradley Jr. Courtney Hawkins. Billy Hamilton, there's a nice one. And a Paul Blackburn. Luriano, number gold of 30 of 50. Pierce Johnson, rookie auto. Jamie Jarman, rookie auto. Travis Janikowski, rookie auto. One more pack left, Dave. Linder base, DJ Davis, rookie auto. Matthew Olson, smudge there a little bit, 199. And Derek Norris, and one of the Prospect Challenge. There's the box break of the 2012 Bowman Sterling Baseball.